Hey guys, welcome to the new video of Hard to Believe Facts. Today, we are going to know about top 5 facts about human body. Fact number 1. We are about 1 centimeter taller in the morning when we first get up than when we go to bed. This is because during the day the soft cartilage between your bones gets squashed and compressed. Fact number 2. Every organ we have, which are in pairs, we only need one of to survive, such as hands, legs, eyes, ears, lungs, kidneys etc. Fact number 3. Our left and right lungs aren't exactly the same. The lung on the left side of our body is divided into 2 lobes, while the lung on our right side is divided into 3. The left lung is also slightly smaller, allowing room for our heart. Fact number 4. Eyes and vagina are the only human body parts that keep themselves clean all on its own. Fact number 5. The type of skin on your lips is called mucosa. The same skin you can find at your anus. Because the lips and the anus are the 2 ends of the pipe called the alimentary canal. That's all for today's video. Please like the video, comment your views, and share with your loved ones. Also subscribe for such amazing content, and press the bell icons to get notified when new video uploaded. See you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching.